Okay, so here is a remodel we did several years ago, and this was driven by an interior designer who has since passed away. Super nice lady. But we did the closet remodel, all new cabinets in here. The walls all stayed the same, but basically reorganized it to be a really well done closet. Fireplace in between. Then notice this big bathroom. You can get out, you zoom out a little bit. This is a spectacular bathroom. So we were basically working with the existing space. We moved a few walls. Love that big tub, super comfortable. We were constrained by the floor, which is a concrete floor and it's a post tension. Notice the light underneath. Love that whole detail of a night light. Love the separate mirrors. Just a very beautiful feel. Interior designer spent time picking out that light, which definitely unique. And notice the fireplace. When you look in close on this, it's a beautiful wave. It's meant to kind of mimic like an ocean wave. Glass panel, there was a wall there before to kind of hide the toilet, which is a wall mount back around the side. So, beautiful master bath. Now, so this one was done by an interior designer. The other two in this house we recently finished, and let me show you how that went. So here's a remodel of one of the hall baths. Beautiful floor tile. Notice the vanity is a wall-hung vanity, carries over past the window. Lit mirror. Beautiful view outside to inside. That all was the window. Floor, which I really like this tile. Notice this is not a barrier free because it's a concrete floor. So we didn't want to dig up the concrete floor in that, but it's a low threshold for that. The seat is floating, and notice the drain is underneath the seat and it's sloped toward that way. So you don't have, in general, you don't see the drain, which is also another cool feature. Notice the niche, super cool niche. Definitely want this to become a standard of our showers moving forward. And beautiful faucet. And notice again, the client picked out this beautiful tile. It's made to kind of look like slab. Has a beautiful feel to it. I just want to walk up and touch it because of how it looks and feels. And so here is a bathroom model. Okay, so here's the second bathroom, which is the same bathroom with a little variance. There's slight differences in this bathroom from the other one. So obviously we moved the faucets and everything was on opposite walls. So we moved that around. But similar bathroom with different toilets, different faucets, different features, but essentially the same bathroom. It's gorgeous. Okay, so here is a fireplace remodel where you'll see the before photos in the upper corner, and you'll see how we kind of transformed this space to be more modern, more clean. That's the upstairs fireplace. Notice the hearth. That's a Dekton product, sealed on all edges. Very well crafted. Beautiful.